So this is some important update to the trust reporting requirement for 2025 tax year. So what you need to know. So this news is for those that have trust or maybe work with trust or have to file for trusts, T3 and so on. So the government of Canada has proposed change to the trust reporting requirement for the 2025 taxation year. And these proposed changes are included in Bill C-15. Okay, the change affect how and when certain trusts need to file their T3 trust income tax and information return, so the T3 return. The CRA confirmed that while taxpayers can still choose to file under currently enacted legislation, it will administer the proposed change to the trust reporting rule contained in Bill C-15. If these changes are not enacted, the CRA will provide further direction at that time. So the CRA has updated the 2025 trust guide and T3 return and schedules to reflect these changes. But this is what you need to know. Bare trusts. Go up a little bit. The CRA does not expect bare trust to file a T3 return, including beneficial ownership information of a trust. So Schedule 15 for taxation year ending in 2025. However, certain bare trusts may be required to file for taxation years ending in 2026 and subsequent tax years. This advance notice is intended to help tax professionals and trustees plan ahead for future filing obligation. So basically, for bare trust, you don't have to file for 2025, but for 2026, be prepared to file and for the following years as well. So it does not expect, he says. Expect. So what I'm thinking is you can still file it and prepare, so you will know what to do for 2026. Filing obligation for other trust. Unless specific conditions are met, all trusts other than bare trust are required to file a T3 return, including Schedule 15 for taxation year ending in 2025. So all trusts except bare trusts. Okay, it is important to review the trust filing obligation annually to determine whether your trust is required to file. Filing deadline for T3 returns. 90 days after the trust tax year end. So that's 3 months, basically, roughly 3 months. The tax year, for most trusts, the tax year end in December 31st. This means that trust with December 31st, 2025 tax year must file their T3 return, including Schedule 15, when required by March 31st. So it's not like the return for personal, which is April 30th. So it's 1 month before. So that's it. Additional resources are available. Okay, so you have filing a trustee 3 return here on CRA, help, criteria, method of filing and deadline. So for the e-filers that also file for trust, this will help you. So enhanced reporting rule for trust and bare trust, FAQ here, clarification of terms, instruction for completing Schedule 15, example of how the rule apply for different situation, guidance on filing deadline and compliance, specific listed trust inclusion for each tax year. There we go. So that's it. That was the news, March 5th. This was published on CRA Newsroom.